Welcome to the Bagger Life. Today what we're going to do is an unboxing of the 2021 heated and cooled Harley Hammock seat. And in the next video, we're going to find out if it actually fits on a 2011 Ultra Limited. Harley lists that the seat fits from a 2014 to a 2021 touring model. However, when I asked the dealership and I called the motor company to find out if it would fit on my 2011, I was told that they just didn't have that information. So, because I was able to find limited information about the brand new seat on YouTube, and because nobody seems to know or want to say if it'll fit on an earlier bike, we're going to find out. This is a non-returnable part. I do not have any kind of relationship with my dealership for free stuff and or the motor company, so this was a $1,099 purchase plus shipping because it had to come out of the next state over. There are none available in my state. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. This was opened at the dealership. The box is kind of beat up, but this is how it came. So right off the bat, we have the famous Harley instruction manual. We'll get to that in a while. We have the little hold down style strap for the center. Get rid of that over there. We have some thick aluminum washers and a bag that there's nothing in it. Probably what this came in. Alright. Onto the seat. Seat looks like it's wrapped in a trash bag. I would expect a little more for $1,000. However, there you go. There's the new 2021 Harley Hammock seat. Oh my. And there is the underside of the 2021 Harley Hammock seat. God, I hope this is going to fit. And then we have either cooling or heating, but not both at the same time, and then the individual controls for the rider and passenger. So let's give you a close-up of the underside of the seat. So you'll notice that there's two cooling fans. There's the electric module for the heat. It looks like it's going to work with the standard backrest. Chrome mounting tab. It has the traditional notch for the front. It has the plug to run the power. It is branded with Harley Davidson on either side, and you don't have as much of the traditional, fuck, this thing's getting dirty all over the place, the back swell, but it does have the pocket to take the seat rest in addition, and not to scar the seat up in case this thing doesn't fit and I need to sell it on eBay. I got the earliest wiring kit that would work with the seat. That is the wiring kit for the 2014. It comes with some little shrink wire tubes. Of course, the Harley set of instructions. And the wiring kit to make it interface with a 2014. I doubt that is going to interface with my bike at any point, so we're probably going to have to modify this harness to get it on the bike. But there you go. There is a quick overview of the Harley Hammock touring seat. If you want to see it go on the bike, check into the next video. Peace out.